Assalamu alaikum, this is Naeem Tarikhani from the EOSCL Sports Roundup. As you all know, हम इस वक्त एक सीरीज चला रहे हैं जिसमें we invite all the captains from different team who are participating in EOSCL season 10 along with their sponsors. आज हमारे साथ इसी तरह की एक टीम और उसके स्पॉन्सर हैं. I would like to introduce them to you. जो टीम है, the name of the team is GTA Strikers. They have been a part of EOSCL for almost 2 years now, and they have performed very well throughout the season, and we are going to discuss about their performance and what exactly the team is all about with their captain today. और हमारे साथ इसके captain हैं Hassan. Assalamu alaikum Hassan, how are you?
Wa alaikum salam, thank you for inviting me.
And along with Hassan, हमारे साथ sponsors हैं जो GTA Strikers को स्पॉन्सर कर रहे हैं. इट्स बिग मामा एंड पापा पिज़्ज़ेरिया, और उसके साथ हैं कमल. अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर. एंड ऋषि भाई, क्या हाल है सर?
बढ़िया सर, आप बताइए.
अच्छा जी, बिल्कुल. अच्छा, पहले हम स्टार्ट करते हैं GTA Strikers से, तो आपको थोड़ा सा ये भी आइडिया हो जाएगा कि टीम कैसी परफॉर्म कर रही है आपकी एंड ऑल दैट. सो हसन, हाउ डिड यू फॉर्म GTA Striker ओवरऑल? आई नो देयर यू हैव डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप within the team. How did you make them all work together?
So basically, like, half the team is just my family. I have 2 cousins in the team. I have my little brother in the team, and the rest of we just used to play together behind the school. And like, people just wanted to make a team, and we're like, okay, let's make a team. Last year we made the team. Initially, me, Yasser Bhai, who was captain last year, and since I was injured, I couldn't play at all last year. So this year I'm the captain, and then we've just formed a team, like people that we played with ourselves.
Okay, very good. So why did you name it as GTA Strikers? Because it's a very catchy name. I have seen different names who our teams usually get on their team names, but why did you choose GTA Striker?
So we actually were like debating between ourselves which name we should pick. Like, my little brother gave some ideas, I came up with some ideas, and then we all decided together, GTA Strikers. We just thought of it. I thought of it actually. And everyone was like, okay, yeah, this is good. We had a vote, and everyone decided this was the name, and we just went with it.
That's meant for on the voting side of it, right? Good. So from performance perspective, you guys were unbeaten until, I believe, last week.
Yeah.
So did you strategize anything within your game? Because you have different capacity to play in different situations as well, right? So you have good bowlers, you have good batsmen. How did you strategize based on what team is coming in front of you?
Every game we don't have like there are some players missing due to personal reasons or job or whatever. So every game I gotta think of how to use my bowlers as best as I can. So if the other opponent team is batting really good, then it gets a lot stressful, because then you don't know which bowler to use, because everyone's getting hit. But I just try to manage as best as possible. Strategy is always to just go out and hit. Our whole team can bat, our whole team can bowl. So whoever's not performing, we just replace them with another person, and then we just hope for the best.
Very good. So I'll come to both of you. Cricket, like आपको पता है हमारा जो है वो इंडिया पाकिस्तान में ऑलमोस्ट नेशनल गेम ही है, राइट? तो क्रिकेट खेली है आपने पाकिस्तान इंडिया में, यहाँ पे खेल रहे हैं, कैसे चल रहा है आपका? अगर आप क्रिकेट से
रिलीजन है, पाकिस्तान में रिलीजन है, बिल्कुल, तो बहुत खेली है, यहाँ भी ट्राई करते हैं जितना जुड़े रहें.
Right.
And want to support them also, so that we can grow the sport in this country also.
That's great. That's great.
Like we came here, we have to bring our sports also.
Very good.
So that's why I always try to whatever we can from our side promote this sport all over GTA and Canada.
लेकिन आप खेलते हैं यहाँ पे?
बहुत कम.
अच्छा, कम.
लेदर की बॉल में बहुत डर लगता है. लेकिन खेलते रहते हैं जब टाइम मिलता है.
Very good. कमल भाई आप?
मैं कम खेलता हूँ because of busy in the business. But as I said, Rishi bhai rightly said that wherever we, even cricket or any other sport, which Canadian sports as well, we try to work along with it, right? Not just from a sponsorship perspective, but like our kids are involved in the games as well. Right. So it's very important that we support the game of cricket as well. For us it's a passion. We love to see when game is happening. Doesn't matter whatever countries are playing. We just like to watch a cricket, right? We just want to be part of that passion, even if it's happening on a live or or TV, right? So that's how this whole mindset behind the sponsorship is.
Very good. So competition के जो आपने बात की, EOSCL has been divided into 3 different groups, right? So we have division, we have premier, we have elite. GTA Striker. So इस तरह का हमारा फॉर्मेट इस साल है कि ओनली वन टीम फ्रॉम प्रीमियर कुड गो अप टू द एलीट, राइट? क्योंकि हमारे पास इतनी ही जो है विंडो बचती है कि फ्रॉम 24 टीम्स को हम इस तरह डिवाइड करें. So there was a match which I would like to Hassan to give us more details about. उस मैच में that was an eliminator match that whoever win will go up to the elite division, right? So Hassan, tell me something about that game which you had with I believe you had with Team Companion, if I'm not mistaken, right? So how did that game, because that game technically went over to Super Over, right? And I know you were not part of that squad on that day as well. So tell us something about it, and I'll give that video to our production so that they can run the game as well.
So Team Companion, we already played them once before, and we beat them like pretty easily, I would say. And then, so for the next game, I knew they would come with much more tenacity. So, but like me, my brother, my cousins, we weren't able to attend the game for personal reasons.
Yeah.
But like I was locked in on my phone, checking the scorecard every single second, just to make sure our team wins. And then I saw we needed like 2 runs in the last over,
Right.
and 1 wicket left, and then our player gets run out, which was it just kept building up more and more the excitement of the game.
Right.
And then Super Over happened, and our bowler Adnan, he came through. He went for only 4 runs, and then we won the game, and I was really happy and excited, and messaged all the team, thank you for winning.
That's amazing.
So now you are in the elite group, and I believe you are in the second from the top.
Yes.
Right? So how many more games you are planning to win so that you can stay at the top? Like how many more games you have
We
now?
plan to win every game, obviously, but like, I think if we win 3 out of the next 4, we should be okay for it to go into the semis, and then hopefully play the final, then win it all.
Very good. Any player you would like to highlight from their performance?
So we had 2 players in our team that hit a century so far, Navjot Singh and Khurram Malik. And then I would like to highlight them. They played amazingly. And also I would like to highlight Adnan for his amazing bowling. He's been the key wicket taker. He's always taking the main wickets, bowled a great super over to get us into the elite. So yeah, I like to appreciate.
And I believe one of the player got player of the week as well, right? Award in your team?
Not too
far?
sure.
All right, so probably because we have a player of the week award as well. And what we do, we give them EOSCL branded bat, right?
Oh, very
and
good.
whoever gives the performance, because every week we have more than 8 or 9 games, right? So you can imagine 8 or 9
Bats.
times 2, times 60, times 11, right? So these are the number of players who are playing every week. So from there, anyone who can come up with the right performance, we just give them that award. All right, good. Okay, now we come to your franchise. Big Mama, Papa's Pizzeria. इतना लंबा नाम पहले तो, right? BMPP is good.
छोटे में BMPP
छोटे
बोल
में
सकते हो आप।
BMPP. ये फ्रेंचाइज क्यों आप लोगों ने चूज की? आपको अपनी भी तो कर सकते थे खुद की, राइट? अगर पिज्जा का जो बिल्कुल ही कहानी थी, तो फ्रेंचाइज चूज करने का मकसद क्या था?
A few reasons behind it. One was I'm into consulting, and I was kind of working with the brand already, before their launch phase. And I went to LA to look into the product. Regardless, I had to go with them. So I went there, and what I saw is something very different from being in myself a foodie. I saw the consistency in the product, the quality, and the branding. Not every company does it. I think maybe the big reason was the family is involved. So yeah, definitely it's a big corporation, but most of their corporation is based on family values. The family is itself directly involved in the process, and the product quality is top notch.
Okay.
We use real mozzarella, milk-based mozzarella, not the cornstarch or potato-based. So every product is selected by the brand to be best ability. Not
So every ingredient what you use is already been inspected and
then being
approved
used.
by
The
the company.
Yeah,
right?
and we always say, the cheese is the most important part of the pizza beside dough. I consider cheese pizza a pizza. You can put any toppings on it, whatever it is. So when I taste the product, and being myself a foodie and a pizza boy, I thought, this is something I will personally invest in. I will just not work with the brand, but I will also put my money in it and bring it to Canada, because and I spoke to Rishi, we know for the last
20 years, you can say.
now. And I said, this is something we need to do. And he was like, yeah. And he's again, being from a Delhi boy, you know, he's a big foodie too, right? So he said, you know what, we need to bring this to live to Canada. You know, this is something is different. Nobody uses. Again, I'm not going to challenge everybody. There are people who use it, but you will not find in the corporate world using a real mozzarella. It's hard to find the consistency in the product.
They don't compromise in their quality.
They won't compromise at all. Even I want to bring halal.
Very
so when we brought this location 2 years ago, it took us 1 year.
And sorry, where is the location actually?
Milton, 222 Main Street, East Milton.
Okay.
And even for the halal toppings, you know, it took us 1 year to find a very good vendor, which can, you know, we can select. You know, so we went through multiple iterations of vendors to make sure that yes, this is what we want in halal. And even when it comes to kitchen, I'll personally invite you to, and you can come and see that everything is done separate for halal.
It's proper isolated.
Proper isolated.
And that's
you know?
very good.
Yeah.
Exactly.
That's
Proper
very
isolated from the regular meat.
Yeah.
So halal is kept separately.
Yeah.
And we are using different pans, different everything for
Everything
halal.
is
Knife, different-
Exactly.
everything
Everything
is
very
for
good.
halal.
Very good.
Just like we have gluten-free options, everything is like contamination free.
Because the
No-
way the Muslim community in Milton has welcomed us, we
Yes.
don't want to compromise with them.
Nothing,
Exactly.
nothing,
That's
right?
very good. That's
Yeah.
very good. I will visit your kitchen, and then
Please.
what we'll do, we'll just do a quick video, and we'll
You
just
will
post
love
Please,
it, right?
please.
So that would be great.
No.
All right. So halal option, you mentioned that.
Yes.
तो सारे हलाल अभी आपके पास है, चिकन एंड ऑल दैट, या कुछ आप जो है अभी काम कर रहे हैं उसके पे?
स्टेक के अलावा अभी स्टेक halal नहीं है. We are still working with the vendor.
Vendor, yeah.
But chicken, pepperoni, meatballs,
Sausage
are all
bacon,
halal.
Very
yeah.
good.
And cheese is also halal.
Very
So
good.
everything is
Very good.
done very properly.
तो एक तो आपने बताया कि कंपनी जो है वो क्वालिटी पे कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करती है, एंड प्राइसिंग भी आपकी मेरे ख्याल से
Yeah, I just want to add one more thing. Apart from we are being friends for last 20 years, and we are looking for a business. So when he bring that business to me, and I also went to LA after with him
Acha.
for the training also, and the way they are marketing this product and everything. Apart from that, they are making the biggest pizza in the world.
That's what I was coming to, right?
Yeah.
What exactly different features? So biggest pizza कितना big, कितना बड़ा?
आप बोलो कितना big हो सकता है. So starting with 28 inch, that has 30 slices.
Okay.
After that 36 inch, that is 60 slices.
Wow.
And the cake is cherry on the cake is 54 by 54 giant Sicilian, that has 200 slices.
200. तो उसको कैरी आप कैरी कैसे करते हैं?
हमारी कार के ऊपर heated carrier है,
अच्छा।
उसमें डिलीवर होता है, and that's heated.
And that's it,
Oh,
too.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So beside the fantasy and the excitement stuff they do, the integrity of the product will not be compromised. You order a medium pizza or a slice or a bigger giant Sicilian, you will get the exact quality.
Same
you know,
change.
edge to edge. That's how it got impressed for both of us. You know what I mean? This is something definitely very different. You know, they don't want to compromise on bigger pizzas. It's okay, medium pizza है तो अच्छा बन जाएगा, बड़ा है तो कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ा जल भी गया. No, they want to make sure that everything is done properly. And top of that, we use stone oven. So it's a big difference, you know, real stone minerals, you know, going into the pizza. It's something
और उसका टेस्ट भी डिफरेंट
हाँ जी.
बिल्कुल
आता है,
different.
right?
From the convention oven to stone is totally different.
it's
taste.
totally different taste.
वेरी गुड. तो कम्युनिटी ने कैसे आपको जो है वो वेलकम किया? आपने अभी बात की
हाँ जी, हाँ
कम्युनिटी
जी.
ने आपको काफी अच्छा वेलकम दिया. मेरे ख्याल से मैं आपके पास आया था पहली दफा
हाँ,
जब
आप पिज़्ज़ा लेने आए थे?
Very first week, yes, I
और
remember.
पहली दफा और वही मेरी जो है वो
मुलाकात हुई थी.
मुलाकात हुई थी आपसे. तो कम्युनिटी, हाउ हैज कम्युनिटी वेलकम यू? कैसे रिस्पांस है आपका?
बताओ जी.
So community का response is excellent. 90% of our customers are repeated every month.
माशाल्लाह.
For a 6 months in a business, and I was pulling the reports out from the point of sale system, and I was like, these are the repeated customers.
More than
giving us-
90%.
Yeah,
Mashallah.
giving us repeated business every week. You see, not everybody eat pizza every day, but
Oh, yeah.
when you run the reports and you see that, you know what, if this customer have ordered 4 times a month, that's a success for us.
Exactly.
You know, because at least once a week he's liking our pizza, you know,
Right,
once a
right.
week. So, wo success rate, we're still marketing our product and, you know, business to the core, to the Milton. Still people doesn't know about us, but I think I hope this helps as well.
Yeah, definitely,
So they will
definitely.
know that, you know what, like, you know, a lot of people come to know about us. But every day the videos, the flyers
Are going
everything
out.
are going out.
And
outside.
also we are taking the feedback individually to all the customers who are
Yes.
coming to dine in.
Yes,
And how is that feedback so far?
Very good.
very
Very
good.
good.
You can go to our Google
Google reviews. check,
reviews.
you know
It's gone 4.7 to
Oh,
4.6.
माशाल्लाह, माशाल्लाह.
what, you know,
So that's one of the best in Pizzeria business
yeah.
Very
across the board.
yeah.
And as I told you, feedback is tremendous.
Very
Amazing,
good. Very good. So अब आपने कहा आपकी अभी मेरे ख्याल से सिर्फ एक ही लोकेशन
हाँ जी.
राइट, एंड यू माइट बी इंशाल्लाह एक्सपेंडिंग योर लोकेशंस इन नेक्स्ट 5 years or so. तो franchise model है आपका या how does it work if you like
So
to-
we are the master franchise of Western Ontario.
so you own that
We own that,
Okay.
Western Ontario. So from starting from Brampton till Windsor.
okay very
So
good
we have that whole 401 belt available. We have been approached by different franchisee who are showing the interest. But we want to make sure that they are the right people to do this business.
yeah because of the quality
Exactly.
and everything which you
We don't want to lose the integrity to give to anybody. We have to preserve their integrity. So we are interviewing a lot of franchisees
that's
who
very
are,
good
yeah,
I really liked it
yeah.
very good
So as of now, I think 9 different franchises have approached us
approached
to
us,
open London, Chatham, Waterloo, different locations.
Oh, yeah.
But again, we have to decide whom to give it to.
and that's very good I really like that way you just said कि आप एक अपना खुद का vet process कर
Exactly.
रहे हो
Yeah.
right not any Tom Dick and Harry can
No.
just go and have it
No.
they have to follow certain process which you guys have went through and they will come up with exact same quality and what you guys are providing
Because wherever it opens, we want to have the same experience that people are having, whoever is having in Milton.
Yeah, वो बहुत important है.
हाँ no
So
that's
it should not be like that customer का यार Milton वाला अच्छा है, but that one is
वो
not.
वाला अच्छा
selling.
नहीं है. नहीं,
ये
वो नहीं
ये
चाहिए.
वैसे
ये
दूसरे
होता है।
वो दूसरी लोकेशन में मैंने देखा है जो दूसरे जो फ्रेंचाइजी
होता है उसमें।
हाँ वो मैंने देखा है
So that's why we like we are directly involved in the process. हमारा ये नहीं कि corporate setup हो गया, okay, we'll get training. We are personally involved in it. He knows kitchen operations, I know kitchen operations. He knows overall operations, I know overall operations. So that's how the ownership comes, and that's
Exactly.
why we want कि जो आगे वाला बंदा भी आए, they understand. Maybe it's a franchisee for them, but this is not just a regular business. You wanna. I always make sure that whatever my kids can eat, I wanna feed exactly to my customers as well, right? So it's it's accountability to us ourselves as well. तो मुझे यही लगता होता है कि जो फूड की क्वालिटी है उसमें jeopardize नहीं होना चाहिए. तो कोई आगे जाके कुछ ऐसा ना करे तो wet process बहुत important है.
Because you can get the cook from anybody,
Yeah.
but if owners knows the kitchen process,
yeah you can
he
jump in and
knows
you can roll the
exactly.
sleeves and all that right
He knows what is getting wrong, what is getting right. So that's very important, the core of the business,
And
especially in food business.
and that's very good क्योंकि I'm from Memon family Gujarati family right तो हमारे ancestor यही कहते हैं कि यार किसी काम में उस काम में ना जाओ जो काम तुम्हें ना आए
Exactly.
बिल्कुल
right
सही
Because at any point you need to roll the sleeves and jump in and that's exactly what you guys are
अब तो कभी भी रात को हमारे सपने में पिज़्ज़ा आते हैं. That much we have worked with the pizza now.
very good okay coming back to Hassan so you have been in EOSCL for almost 2 years now
Yeah.
how's your experience so far how would you rate your experience so far
I think this is definitely the best league out of all the cricket leagues I've played in. It gives you 15 overs, which I don't think any other league is doing. I wasn't able to play last year, but I came to every match just to watch my team.
yeah
But it was fun, It's it feels like a family. Everyone's I know all the players on the different teams. It's fun playing against them. It's been a fun experience in overall.
Very good, and we have more than 490 players playing this year. And the good thing, which you just mentioned, we have introduced a business club card, which almost all the teams have got it now. So Big Mama and Papa Pizzeria have provided some discounts on those cards as well. which
Exactly.
If you have cards, you can go online to eobusinessclub.club and you'll get all the discounts what these are offering, right? So it's a long journey from that perspective क्योंकि हमने कार्ड इस तरह रखा है कि क्योंकि हमारी लीग तो खत्म हो जाएगी सितंबर में, right?
Yeah.
But that offer or that particular opportunity will be available throughout the year.
Exactly.
Right? So even though league is not there, लेकिन आप फिर भी you can start and earn those perks and discounts which our sponsors are offering. So Desi, last moment, अगर आप this is the camera, if you would like to say something to our audience about
Sure.
to come to your store, अपना number, website, anything we would like to share.
First of all, thank you very much
Pleasure.
to you guys to call us over here and let us know what we are all about. Maybe we are lucky for them, right, somehow. But I want to especially thank the community level, on the community level, that they have welcomed us so much with the open arms. They are loving our product, and if you are interested in this business, we have franchise available all over Western Ontario. You can come to our store at 222 Main Street East. You can meet me and or Kamal, whoever is, somebody will be there, and we can talk about that.
Very good. So again, thank you so very much for
Thank
joining
you very
the show.
much.
Really
Always.
appreciate it.
Thank you so
and
much.
at the end of this program, we'll do the cut of that super over.
Super over,
right?
yeah.
And we'll share your discounts as well, so that the people would know that this is what you're offering. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you very much.
So this was it, folks. आज हमने discuss किया GTA Striker and Big Mama and Papa Pizzeria नया स्टोर है मिल्टन में, बहुत सारे लोगों ने ऑलरेडी विजिट किया हुआ है वहाँ पे. आई नो एंड आई हैव बीन देयर पर्सनली मेनी टाइम्स. वेरी गुड स्टोर, यू शुड विजिट इट. और एट द एंड ऑफ दिस प्रोग्राम हम इनकी एक छोटी सी वीडियो भी लगाएंगे ताकि आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया भी हो जाए कि वेयर एग्जैक्टली दे आर एंड हाउ टू रीच आउट टू देम. So thank you so very much. Inshallah, next week we'll see with another team and another sponsor. Assalamu alaikum.
Bold, bold.
That's it! Jump out! Thank you, squad, for नीचे अंदर है अंदर है अंदर है लास्ट विकेट है ये दोनों आउट हो गए ध्यान रखिए दोनों आउट हुए